How to report a problem in Lyft. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report problems in this application. First of all, open Lyft. Now here on the right bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on a profile icon. So these are the profile settings. Now here, you'll be able to see the option called help. Simply tap on help. Now here are different options available. So here you can select the option or select the reporting line that you want to report in this application. So here, for example, I'm tapping on Lyft ride and payment issues. Simply tap on it. Now here are different categories that you can select from. So here I'm choosing one. Now here you can even write a feedback and select the one that you want to report about. So here simply tap on one and simply tap on dispute fare or charge. So this will directly send a report and later the feedback will return back to you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.